So today I'm doing a boat tour and we're going to the volcano and then the hot springs. So we got off the boat and waiting for a guide to climb up to the top of the volcano. It's kind of chaotic getting off the boat because there's so many of them. Just gotta follow that yellow flag, the short lady with the yellow flag.
Iba yan dyan, election yan. Iba yan? Iba yan.
The view is amazing though. I'm surprised these things can grow here.
Yeah, it's crazy. See all the stuff.
Yeah. Almost there. Yay! We've reached the top. Whew.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Να είστε καλά. Λοιπόν, ξεκινάμε με αγγλικά και όταν καταλάβετε να ρωτάτε. Εντάξει. So, you know, when I get 70% of the group up to the top, it's a big success. Today is a very good day. I am very proud of you. Also of you. Thank you very much for your help, for staying with me. I would like to tell you some things about the geological history so that you know where we are, what we are doing, and why we walked all the way up here. So, the volcanic activity in this area started approximately 1 million years ago.
Wow.
When lava first started rising from under the water, it united two islands that existed here before and created a new round island. In the center of this round island, many times a caldera
Oh yeah. Let's see it slow. Oh yeah, I feel the heat.
Yeah. Put your hand there. Put your hand there. So hot.
Wow.
Oh my god. Let's go close, honestly. It's not that. Oh, it's good.
Oh boy. See the smoke? Yeah. See that? Pick it up. Wow. That's crazy. Well, at least she says they'll know if it's going to erupt.
Yeah.
So,
Always a worry.
yeah, exactly.
It just feels like slightly dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am dripping wet all over. Oh my god. Dripping wet. Heading back down. And then we're going to the non-active volcano where we will swim in the hot springs. We are back on the boat and practically dead, aren't we?
Yes.
And not sure what's next, if it's the hot springs or food. Are we going to the hot springs next? Food! Okay.
The ladder will be placed on the left side of the boat. For those of you who want to jump, please put your legs on the outer side of the railing and go.
Where are we going now?
La scaletta si metterà nella parte sinistra. Se volete tuffarsi, per favore mettete i piedi fuori e andate.
I think I have it on.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Should it be okay when can you put it on a different setting?
So we just got back from the hot springs. How was it?
Very good.
How you like it?
It was good. It was really fun.
The sulfur feeling was weird. It was like mushy under your feet,
Yeah,
right? I didn't like how it felt.
It felt like seaweed.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
has good skin.
Yeah. So now we're going to lunch. Is that where we're going?
My island.
Yeah, I think we're going to lunch now. There's the hot springs over there. It's brown. There. So we have to swim towards that from here. This is a black sand beach. See, it's filled with rocks. Kyra, I am going to kill you. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm going to do this. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh! Oh Jesus! Oh my god! Oh! 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 Go to the edge! And my donkey is overtaken. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I have an aggressive donkey. It's close to the edge. We could come in some more. Oh Jesus! Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Oh! It's so close to the wall! Oh, it's too close to the wall. I'm gonna scratch my leg. We're not going uphill anymore, so it's not as scary. Shit, I spoke too soon. Oh God, I spoke too soon. And he goes so close. Ow, so close to the wall. That's the scary part. And then he's trying to overtake the other donkeys. Like, can you like wait your turn? Good grief. Good Lord, it's like a madhouse with them going back down. Oh, what an experience. Oh my God, look at it jumping on the wall. Oh my goodness. Don't attack me. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's crazy. Look how they're running back down to pick up the other people. Oh, poor donkeys. Lord. The sun has set. This is just one of the many points where you can see the sunset at Ia. Look at those colors. How beautiful.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante.